Welcome to my studio and to my YouTube channel. My name's Sherry and I'm a mixed media artist. Basically, to me what that means is I never met an art supply I didn't like. I dabble in acrylics, oil and cold wax, encaustic, pen and ink, charcoal. There's more. Anything that involves paper. Oh my God, so much paper. There's, yeah, way too much paper. So here on the channel, I will be posting an art process video every Friday morning. Basically what this is watching me work. And then from time to time I'll do a product video, which I compare maybe two products to see if they do the exact same thing. I hope to have some interviews with other artists soon, and of course there are specific how-to videos. So basically you'll be getting 6 videos a month, maybe more, all about art. Well, that's a little misleading. There's going to be some outtake videos too, and the occasional video where I'm just laughing at myself. Alright, here we go. Because let's face it, I reshoot a lot of stuff over and over and over. Anyway, as I was saying, I hope you'll subscribe and come back every Friday morning and a few other times every month. Thanks for watching.